These kimchi tacos are kind of a weird meal, but they're so easy to make and so tasty. To start out, I just heat up some corn tortillas. I put my homemade hummus on them, and this time I made the hummus without tahini because I didn't have any, and it's still so good. Then I put some sliced avocado on top and finish it all off with kimchi, and because kimchi is so flavorful, it kind of holds the whole thing together flavor-wise. And that's it. It literally takes 2 minutes to put together and is so good. I eat so many cold soups during the summer, and Greengazpacho is definitely one of my favorites. It's basically like a savory green smoothie. You blend up a bunch of green vegetables in the blender. In this case, there's also pumpkin seeds, which make it really creamy, and it just makes for the most refreshing meal or snack. I think we're all familiar with leftovers bowls, which are such lifesavers during busy days. My formula for these guys varies, but it's usually a grain, a bean, fresh vegetables, and something fermented. I wanted to get adventurous with my salads, so I decided to make coconut bacon. Usually people use the large flake coconut for the bacon, but I only had the regular shredded coconut. So I went with smoked paprika, smoked salt that somebody gifted me, and maple syrup. I put everything on the baking sheet and mixed it up and put it in the oven at a really low temperature. I mixed it up halfway, then put it back in the oven, and I was really pleased with the results. It was smoky and fatty and savory and really good on salads. Cold noodles are another dish that I make all the time in the summer. I really like to make this sauce to dress them with, which consists of freshly squeezed lime juice, brown rice vinegar, tamari soy sauce or coconut aminos, and almond butter. Then I decide on the toppings. This time around I'm using shiitake mushrooms and fresh cucumbers, as well as some toasted pumpkin seeds. I boil up the noodles. This time it's black rice noodles. I mix them with all the toppings and the sauce, and that's it. It's so easy and so fresh and so summery, and you can endlessly customize it by adding different ingredients, toppings, herbs, etc.